Welcome to the online training for Trimble's EC-CAD sheet metal. In this session, we're going to look at placing a HVAC fitting manually. To do this, we're going to come up to the ribbon and we're going to select duct fitting from the ribbon here. So once you go ahead and select that, that's going to open up your properties and it's going to put a picture of a fitting right here on your properties palette. You can simply click that picture and that's going to open up your selection list for all of your different fittings. You can expand this, rearrange this however you see fit, this dialog box. But if you're looking for a particular fitting, let's say that maybe I'm looking for an end cap. I can come up here and narrow my search down and just tell it I want to see end caps instead of seeing all of the different fittings. So now it's going to show me my different shapes, and I want to go into my rectangular. I'm working with a 2-inch water gauge. So I want to go into my rectangular defaults under 2-inch water gauge and select my rectangular cap. Now I can go in here and I can select the sizes by just simply going to the pull down and selecting the sizes that I want. And I've gone ahead and selected my 24 by 12 end cap. To place that on, I'm simply going to go ahead and click onto that, and now that end cap lives on my cursor here. So if I move over here to the piece of duct, I'm going to get the duct end connector icon pop up. I'm going to go ahead and click onto that, and now I'm going to give that the rotation angle. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in 0 and enter, and that's gone ahead and place that end cap onto the end of that piece of duct. And that's placing that end cap manually versus having to do it with a different type of a route. So we can select manually placed fittings. We also have another way to place manual fittings using the EC Tools palette, which I'll cover in one of the next videos.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.